Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making caramel coffee dessert. Milk 600 ml, caramel powder 2 tablespoons. Mix everything, boil for 5 minutes, keep aside. Any biscuits. Make fine powder. Keep biscuit powder aside. Butter 2 tablespoons, mix everything. Transfer to a serving bowl. Set biscuit powder, refrigerate for 15 minutes. Caramel, cream 2 tablespoons, coffee 1 tablespoon, powdered sugar 4 tablespoon, mix everything. Cream 50 grams, coffee 1 tablespoon, sugar powder 2 tablespoon. Take any milk chocolate, melt in microwave for 30 seconds. One tablespoon of milk chocolate, milk 1/4 cup, mix everything. In a same milk chocolate, add chocolate syrup. Biscuit powder on top. Refrigerate for 1 hour. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Don't press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.